Well, today is harvesting day for the garlic for another year, and we got the boxes and stuff. We're harvesting a little differently this year, so it's going to be interesting to see how this works. The garlic is down to 4 to 5 leaves that are still green, and so we're going to start and make sure we don't get below 3 leaves, three green leaves. So we'll go up and see what the harvester's working like. As you can see, it's a bit dirty coming off, so then we run it through, because we don't have a shaker thing on our harvester, we have to run it through a dirt eliminator to clean it up a bit before it goes in the crates to dry. This is the last row of 92 rows. 92 double rows, I guess that is. The last one. It's been some beautiful days for getting the crop off, and we're very thankful. Now the field is empty.
Okay, so the way we're drying the garlic this year is we're using what's called a plenum. It's just a box, just a wind tunnel basically. And then we got this big grain bin fan here on the end. It puts out 5,600 CFMs of air. And then there's a 5-inch space at the bottom here all the way along, and the end of each pallet, these spaces butt up to that space, and so the air comes out of there, comes out into here, and then goes up. We'll wrap this in plastic after, once we get the rest of the crates in here, and so then it's forced up. And that's how it dries. We have dehumidifiers going at night, and then when the humidity goes down in the morning, we open the doors and just use the outside air. But yeah, it seems to be drying quite well.
How many crates?
Well, this year we got 16 on here.
And how long is your tunnel?
20 feet. It didn't need to be that long, but...
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's enough air to do all 16
as
at
long
the same
as you
time.
have between 2 and 5 CFMs, between 2 and 5 air changes a minute, then that's all you need. As long as you're around that or over, then that's good.
Okay. And this has been, some of these have been drying for
about 2 days, and they're already some of the papers are getting kind of flaky already just after 2 days. So
good. So how long do you think it'll take for all of them?
Probably a week or week and a half.
Okay.
Maybe 2 weeks, depends. Okay, so we got it all wrapped up with the plastic and everything, so we'll just start the fan up and it'll be ready to go. For now, we'll have to plug the dehumidifiers in a couple hours here once the humidity comes up outside. So, yeah. So this is after everything is done drying, we've finished processing all the stuff that was to be sold, and we sold roughly around 10,000 pounds this year. We had around a total of 15,500 pounds that we harvested, and this is our seed. How you tell when the garlic is dry. There's one with that. So from the harvester, the end here is all it was clipped off on the harvester there, and then when it dried, it's all dry and everything on the end, so you just cut that off, and then just cut off another little piece and take that outer peeling off the little piece that you cut off, and then you take this piece here and chew it up, and if when it's dry, you won't be able to taste any garlic flavor in that. It'll just taste like a dry stick when it's dry.